All right, what's the deal, YouTube? Man, it's SRT Show, and we back with another video, man. Look at this. Let me show y'all something. Bro, we is at 999 subscribers. I don't know if y'all can, how good y'all can see this, but look, we had 999 subscribers, bro. We about to hit 1K. No cap. Like, bro, we didn't work so hard to get here, man. We finally here. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, we about to be turned, bro. I'm no cap. So hopefully, this is my last POV before we hit 1K. No cap. So let's get straight into it. Oh yeah, shit, I forgot to turn off the traction. Can I turn it off while driving? Let's see. Okay, I gotta pull over so we can turn off the traction. Let me pull over real quick. Let me pull over. Hey, yo, is that my car? That's crazy. Hey, y'all see that? That's my car right there. That's crazy, bro. I used to have them same rims. That must be like a 2018 or lower, like 2019 or something. Because they don't have that badge anymore. That can't be like a Lastcall or like a 2022, 2021. I don't even fucking know. It just can't be new because of the badge. But they used to have that color back in the day, you know. And they brought it back for the Lastcalls, if y'all didn't know that. Let me pull over so I can turn off the traction. I'm over here stalling and shit. Okay, let's turn off the traction. All right, traction is off. We can start the POV now. Bro, I can't believe I'm about to hit 1K subs, man. This is like, it don't even feel real. All we need now is like 2,000 more watch hours and we monetize. Like, simple. We about to run up the bag though, no cap. Damn, the car getting loose already. Let me turn the torque on for y'all real quick. Where the fuck is the torque at? Oh, it must be in vehicle information. There we go, torque. Got that engine torque on now. Bro, I thought that was 12. Hey, yo, what the fuck is that Ford doing though? About to cause an accident. Hey, y'all see this man getting in my lane though? I know y'all see this. This Ram truck right here. But I'm about to fucking wreck my shit. It's already wrecked, damn. And bro, about to turn too. Oh my god, bro. Let me just get back in my lane, bro. Fuck that, cause bro trying to turn this shit. Hey, this Lincoln better not be turning, bro. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm mastered by downshifts too. I know exactly when to shift, bro. Like, I just be looking at the little, like the big ass numbers, and I just hit that shit. Boom. I'm not gonna lie, that shit in the manual too, but I didn't look at it in the manual. Actually, I did. I'm not gonna lie, I did. I looked in the manual and it showed me when to shift, but I kind of already knew though. Oh shit, we getting loose. Y'all don't understand, I got the traction off with bad tires. Like all 4 tires are dog shit right now. Like watch this. Like y'all see that? Like bro, it's time to get some new tires too. Like we need new tires bad. Yeah, that's crazy. All them damn cop cars just got moved, bro. I wonder where they went from yesterday. Crazy, I can't even full throttle no more. I gotta like half throttle just so I won't spin out. And I'm definitely not about to hit the gas with these cars coming my way and that pedestrian. So we're just gonna slow down. Bro, that shit look red and green at the same time. Y'all see that? Y'all probably can't see, but the light look like it's green and red activated. Like that shit gonna kill somebody. They need to get that shit fixed. Bro, my engine has awakened, bro. Ever since I got that oil change, my engine is like, it's been screaming like perfect, like. Bro, I know y'all hear this engine, bro. This thing sounds so loud today. I'm not gonna lie, man. Fresh oil changes, bro, that's always the way to go. Like, from now on, whenever I need an oil change, I gotta get that shit on time, like, bro. I can't be waiting too long. Bro, this SRT is screaming, bro. Oh my God. That third gear pat. Bro, I love the sound of my engine, bro. Like, this thing is a beast. Especially in low gears, like, bro. But yeah, y'all, by next video we should be at like 1K subs, man. I appreciate everybody who subbed, man. Thank y'all for watching too. Like, no cap, like, y'all really mean the world to me, man. Thank y'all for subbing, man. We about to hit 1K subs, man. Either that, make sure y'all follow me on the gram at SRT Show.